Every year, workplace accidents cost businesses over $170 billion. Safety improvements are critical across industries, thanks to digital innovation. Technologies have transformed how organizations approach safety, creating secure, efficient environments that protect workers while enhancing productivity. The merger of AI, sustainable practices, and ESG initiatives has accelerated this technological evolution for modern workplaces. Sophisticated monitoring systems and intelligent automation help prevent accidents and drive productivity as never before. Workplace safety technology has evolved remarkably through advancements. Systems now protect workers while enhancing efficiency. The shift from manual inspections to automated safety systems marks a significant milestone in workplace protection. Automated systems in manufacturing reduce worker exposure to hazardous tasks like welding and assembly. The IoT has become essential to workplace safety, enabling real-time monitoring and immediate hazard detection. Key advantages include real-time monitoring, immediate hazard alerts, automated compliance tracking, and enhanced emergency responses. AI and machine learning analyze vast data to predict hazards. They monitor vital signs and unsafe behaviors through algorithms. This technology creates a comprehensive ecosystem for safety, improving operational efficiency and reducing downtime. Modern technologies provide interconnected safety monitoring solutions that protect workers effectively. Advanced sensor networks track environmental parameters, enabling quick hazard detection for improved worker safety. Wearable safety devices have transformed personal protection, providing vital sign monitoring and location tracking. Modern wearables alert for emergencies and improve response, proving essential for lone worker protection. Connected worker platforms integrate all safety monitoring systems, creating a unified digital environment for workplace safety. These platforms enable real-time communication and data sharing, allowing workers to access critical information precisely when needed. The technology facilitates optimized decision-making by identifying risks and implementing corrective actions for enhanced safety. Supervisors can monitor worker locations, track safety compliance, and respond immediately to potential hazards. Environmental sensors can detect changes in air quality, while wearable devices provide continuous health monitoring. Advanced risk prevention systems utilize AI and machine learning to reshape workplace safety. They prevent incidents before they occur. Predictive analytics show accuracy levels between 80% and 97% in predicting workplace incidents. Robotic process automation transforms high-risk operations, providing 24/7 task execution without fatigue. RPA is effective in hazardous materials handling, quality control, maintenance tasks, and emergency response. Smart PPE combines traditional protection with advanced monitoring capabilities, creating an integrated safety ecosystem. Modern smart PPE includes monitoring for temperature, air quality, and has real-time communication capabilities. Digital technologies are changing safety training and compliance management, creating more engaging learning environments. Virtual reality offers risk-free simulations for safety education, allowing workers to gain practical experience rapidly.
Emotional connection with a 3.75x versus classroom training. Focus level is 4x higher than e-learning. Knowledge retention with a 72% higher effectiveness. AR has transformed workplace instruction delivery by overlaying digital information. AR provides real-time guidance with visual cues for maintenance procedures, equipment operation protocols, emergency response procedures, and hazard identification. AR work instructions improve safety adherence with immediate feedback for workers deviating from procedures. Automated compliance monitoring provides continuous oversight by tracking safety protocols and reducing manual compliance work by up to 90%. The system offers real-time monitoring and alerts for non-compliance, ensuring consistent regulatory adherence. Data-driven safety analytics have become essential for measuring and improving workplace safety performance. AI integrated with safety analytics enhances risk prediction and recognizes patterns for comprehensive safety understanding. Smart technologies drive productivity and reduce incidents, achieving up to 85% fewer accidents with enhanced safety strategies. Modern workplaces benefit from a safety ecosystem, combining monitoring, predictive analytics, and intelligent automation. These advancements create safer environments, connecting worker protection with operational excellence for future challenges.